Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create a guarantee reservation. First, we need to know what is a guarantee reservation. A guarantee reservation is a reservation that is made with a payment method, like a credit card. It could be American Express, Visa, or MasterCard that secure your stay in the hotel and the payment of your room. This one means that you're gonna arrival. It's like a compromise with the hotel that you're gonna arrival to the installations. Now that we know what a guarantee reservation is, we're gonna go to inventory here in the top, then to property availability, and then we're gonna select a date of the arrival of our guest. I'm gonna change the date to other, and then we're gonna click here in search. And now we can see how many rooms we have available for tomorrow. And like we're gonna do this a reservation for 3 days. Here we can see the other 2 days. And here we can see how many rooms are available. And in the left, we can see the type of room that we have, like economic, single, double. In this case, we're gonna do a reservation for a superior room, and we have available tomorrow, the day after, and after that. So we're gonna choose that one. Here, we can make click in the top, in the right, and I want to. Here you can choose, you're gonna choose new reservation. After that, here we wanna change the number of nights and the arrival. We're gonna change that and we're gonna put 3 nights. Here automatically change the departure date. Now we're gonna move on to rooms. We're gonna reserve 1 room and it's gonna be for 2 adults. Now we're gonna use here the profile for the client that we created before. We wanna write the last name and we wanna click here. Here we have 2 guests that is the last name, but we're gonna choose this one. Now that it's in blue, underline it. You're gonna click here in the bottom right in select. And now you already choose your client. Now we're gonna move on and click here in search. After that, here you have the availability of the hotel, how many rooms are and what type these one are. Like we said before, we're gonna choose a superior. You can make a double click or you can drop a room rate to the right and automatically it's gonna be show you this window. In the left you can find this the information that it's the arrival, how many nights, the day departure, how many guests, and the rack rate of the room. Now here in booking details you have reservation type. You're gonna choose guarantee reservation here and click and select. Now in market is for what reason your guest is going to that destiny. So we're gonna click here in search and we're gonna choose leisure. It could be business groups or it could be some people inside the hotel. So we're gonna, in this case, we're gonna choose leisure. We're gonna click in select. And in source in this part is the type, how the client contact you. It could be a walk-in, phone, mail, or a travel agency. So we're gonna click here in the search icon. And for this case, we wanna choose telephone. Now, after that, we're gonna move on and we are going to the payment method. Because it's a guaranteed reservation, we're gonna use a card. In this case, it's gonna be a MasterCard. Then we're gonna type the number of the card. And after that, the expiration. Now the system is checking the transaction. Now that it's authorized, you're gonna grab the call order. That it's now that it's already done this, you're gonna go to book now in the right bottom. Now here in this window, you can see your reservation. It says the name of the guest, how many people, the confirmation number that is gonna be very useful when you gave this information in reception, the status that is reserved, the contacts, the date of the arrival, night, departure, the type of room, and that's all. Here it's almost the same that you can find here. So now you know how to do a reservation in